What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video we are going to be playing with some new goodies that haven't even come out yet, and I'm super excited to announce that this video is sponsored by LA Girl. Thank you guys so much to LA Girl for sponsoring this video, and I am going to be showing you two new palettes that are releasing very soon. They are the LA Girl Pro palettes. This is the Mastery palette, and this is the Artistry palette. They are so beautiful, you guys. Wait until you guys see them. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys, of course, but the Artistry is so beautiful. This is up my alley. You guys know I love my color, so these greens and blues, they are just screaming my name. But I also love that this palette has its colors and its neutrals, and they're like laid out perfectly for you. You have your colors down here, and then you have your warm neutrals at the bottom. And then the Mastery palette is so beautiful. This is like a perfect Valentine's Day type of palette. What I also really like about the packaging is on the back you have the shades and the colors. You know how sometimes when you get those packagings where they have the names listed in the back, but they're just like plain squares, like all they have is the names, but then you're like, is it the other way around or what? But these, I'm like so appreciative that they have the actual colors so you guys can, you know exactly what shade that you're dipping into. So I'm happy about that. Besides the back, the outer packaging is really nice as well. It has like that glossy finish at the top, and then it has this huge mirror that you can literally see your whole existence in. It's so awesome. It's such a great quality as well. All right, so let's get to swatches. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the Artistry palette because I'm dying to dip into these colors right here. They feel like butter, you guys. Look at this. This is, oh my god, this green shade is stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. That is one swipe. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, that is gorgeous. And I'm gonna swatch the next one next to it, the next green, this deeper green. Oh wow, these are insane, you guys. Look how gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with these. Now I'm gonna go into the blues. Oh wow, this is one swipe, you guys. Look how I still have some on my fingers. These are incredibly pigmented. Oh, this blue looks heavenly. Look at that. Oh wow, one swipe. Wow, I am blown away, you guys. These are so beautiful. Holy shiz. The last two that I'm going to swatch from the Artistry palette that I want to show you guys are these two golds right here, and that is in Virtuoso and Zeal. So this is Zeal. I'm just going to swatch it up here. Oh wow, these are heavenly, you guys. Can you see that? This is Virtuoso. Wow, I am blown away by the pigmentation of these shimmers, you guys. Look how gorgeous. All right, now I'm going to do some swatches from the Mastery palette. Oh, it's so pretty. So I picked these 4 shades. Look at them already. These are so beautiful. This is insane. Wow. They're a little bit powdery, but that's not a big issue for me. Honestly, that can be taken care of easily. But oh my god, that is so gorgeous. And then lastly, we have this one right here. Wow, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So those were a couple swatches from the Artistry and Mastery palette, and you guys, I'm so impressed by the pigmentation of these shimmers. They are so beautiful and so buttery. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on these palettes. They are amazing. And for this eye look that I created, I used mostly the Mastery palette and a little bit of the Artistry palette as well, just so you guys can get a feel of both of them. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching. All right, so I already did one eye off camera, and if you guys are wondering what is on my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Shady Slim Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and I really like it. So for the eyes, I used mostly the Mastery palette, this really beautiful warm tone, pinky tone palette. I think this is absolutely beautiful for like Valentine's Day, which is around the corner. So for my first transition shade, I'm gonna use Skills, and you honestly can't see it on my lid, but it's just a good transition shade to start off with, so all the other shades can blend together. So I'm just gonna go in with that first. So I have Skills down. As you can see, it doesn't really put too much color, but it's just enough to like blend everything together. So the next transition shade I'm gonna use is Proper, which is this like mustardy brown shade. And I'm putting this shade all over the lid. Oh, I love these type of shades. And I'm just building up this color to how I want it, which is really nice. But it's such a pretty shade. Can you imagine this all over the lid? I'm blending out these edges so there is no harshness. All right, so for the next transition shade, we are gonna go in with this really pretty chocolatey brown, which is named Devote. Same thing, I'm gonna bring this shade all on the crease. I'm really concentrating this shade on the outer corner right here to create some more depth. These two shades together are so pretty, but we're gonna go ahead and deepen it up even more. So we're gonna go in with Dapper, which is this darker chocolatey brown. Same thing, look at that, so pretty. Same thing, we're just gonna bring it all the way across, but keep it low. And bring this color on the lid because we're gonna clean it up anyway, but just to create that depth. My brush here, I'm gonna blend out these harsh edges. Now that I have all of my transitions, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. All right, so I cut the crease. Now we're gonna go in with the lid shades, and these are such beautiful shades, you guys. So the first one I'm gonna use is Boss, which is this one right here. It's a beautiful like rose gold shade. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love that you don't even have to wet these. They're just super pigmented on their own. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. It looks like foil. It's stunning. So I'm only gonna put this shade halfway, and I'm gonna go in with another shade, which is a more deeper coppery type of shade, and it is Expert, which is this one right here. Look at that. Barely touched the shadow. Super pigmented, you guys. So I'm just marrying these two shades together. How gorgeous are those two shades together? Oh my god, so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna go in back with Dapper, which is that deep chocolatey brown, and put this on the outer corner. And then to create some more depth, I'm gonna go into the Artistry palette, into the darkest shade in here, which is this black right here, which is called Sleek. I'm gonna go light-handed with this, just to create some more depth here. I'm gonna go back into Dapper just to bring that brown back in. Now to clean this up, I'm just gonna go in with a makeup wipe. Just remove all of this fallout, which was very minimal, which I'm super happy about. I'm just gonna clean up these edges right here and kind of bring it up. All right, so pretty much done with the top portion of the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll be right back to finish the eyes. All right, guys, so I'm back. I have the rest of my face done, and now we're gonna finish the lower lash line. So instead of using your typical black eyeliner in your waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This is also from LA Girl. This is the Glide Eye Gel in Royal Blue. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Devote and Dapper. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to go into the Artistry palette, and I'm going to go into this really bright gold shade and mix it with the Boss shade. Ooh, that is bright. It's so pretty. I love an inner corner highlight. It just brings the whole entire look together. And these don't disappoint. All right, so we're almost done with this look. So all we need is to finish the lower lash line, and I'm going to use the LA Girl Volumatic Mascara in Ultra Black. And this is the wand. You guys want to see what it looks like? Alright you guys, so that completes this quick eye tutorial using the new LA Girl Pro palettes, the Mastery and the Artistry palette. What do you guys think? I honestly think that these palettes performed, so far they have performed really beautifully. They're super pigmented. They blended like a dream. I loved how this look turned out, and I really love the lower lash line as far as the blue in the waterline. It's so pretty. It's very different from like your traditional black, so it just adds like a little more to it, and it's still very smoky but with a pop of blue. I really like that, and those liners are so bomb, and the mascara is really nice. I loved it for my lower lash line. Like I said, I really enjoyed these palettes. My favorite, just by visually seeing, I love the Artistry palette. I cannot wait to play with this a lot more, especially with the greens and the blues in here. Oh my god, I'm like dying to play with this even more. And I really enjoyed the Mastery palette for the most part. Like the mattes, they blended beautifully. The shimmers, no question, they were amazing. This palette is definitely more for someone that's starting out with makeup or just for the everyday consumer. This is such a beautiful palette. It gives me modern Renaissance Anastasia vibes, if I'm being completely honest, but super affordable. And the pan sizes are just enormous, so you really get a bang for your buck. I'm not sure when these palettes will be released, but when I find out, I will leave all of that information listed down below for you guys. You can also find them at Target, Ulta, CVS, and on LA Girl's website. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave in the comments down below if you guys really enjoyed this video and this look, and if you guys also want me to do another video using the Artistry palette, please let me know. I really want to play with this. It looks so beautiful. Other than that, thank you again so much to LA Girl for sponsoring this video, and I don't have anything else to say except I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.